Hi everyone, welcome back to another very important session of linguistic, and we were doing linguistic series. Lots of questions has been solved. All the doubts I think have been cleared and answered, and now we are at question number 65. This is linguistic paper from IIT Guwahati and 2026 of 2026. And see this one liner, it seems so easy na, otherwise it's not. Basically it's not. So whenever you see some small question, and this is a very interesting fact that most of the time I've seen that people are really scared of the big question or the large questions or paragraph based questions, but those are actually the easiest one. I've seen quite a number of time the easiest questions are the ones which looks very scary, which looks very big, and clear, having so much of informations and details in that particular one. But the actual trickiest questions are this question, the one liner question or the short questions, because they need your it's a direct questions. You have to understand, you have to know it, otherwise it's gone. Okay, so yes, it's about the gate, and this kind of questions you will never see in net. I guess so. This kind of question doesn't come in net, but still if you are preparing for net, you can net, get whatever examination you are prepared for. You can always contact us, learn from us, and you can join our doubt clearing sessions. Even after watching those videos, if you feel that you have got some doubt, you can join us, you can call us. Study materials are available with us. You can take those as well and sit for the mock test to know whether you are prepared or not. Okay. Now, let's focus on the question. The total number of unique character bigrams or bigrams in the string thoughts of the ghosts, which contains 19 character, is. To explain it, I have to write it over here. Is equal to pair of consecutive characters. Now, given the string thoughts of the ghost, there are 19 characters. That has been given. Number of bigrams, that is 19 minus 1 equal to 18 bigrams. Pair of consecutive characters, that is 19 minus 1, which is 18. Why? Total bigrams. Let's learn. I have to write it them sequentially. Okay. So, how will we write? TH, then HO, then comes OU, then comes UG, then comes GH, then comes HT, then comes TS, then comes SO, then comes OF, then comes FT, then is the TH, then is HE, then EG, EG, then GH, then HO, OS, ST, TS. Done. Now find the unique bigrams. You have to find the unique bigrams. Remove repetitions. We will remove repetitions. Why? To find unique bigrams. So we will write th. See, th do we have again? How many th do we have? We have got th. We have got th. Over here one th, one. I can see two. Do we have another? Do we have another? No. So we will write one th. Then comes ho. I am quite sure we do not have any ho. Ho is 1 over here. Do we have OH? HO 2, yes, again 2, again removed. Then we have got OU. OU over here, OU over here, OU over here. Okay, OU 1. Okay. Then we have got UG. UG 1 UG, no, only 1. Okay. Then we have got GH. GH 1 GH, 2 GH. So we will take only 1. Then HT. Why HT? Why not HF? Have I made a mistake? या HT. GH के बाद HT होगा. हाँ, HT के बाद TS होगा. ये T है. अच्छा, ये T ही है, मेरा ही गलती है, ये T ही है. HT. HT में क्या है देखो, HT एक है और तो नहीं है, एक ही है. ठीक है, इसको ले लेते हैं HT. उसके बाद आ जाएगा TS. TS देखो कितना है, एक TS इधर मिल गया है, दूसरा है ST को क्या करेंगे, ST और TS, नो TS, सॉरी. ठीक है, TS हो गया. देन कम SO. SO एक ही होगा आई गेस. OS है, OS है, SO एक ही होगा. देन OF. और तो नहीं है, एक ही है. देन FT. No more FT. Then HE, again 1. HE. Then EG, only 1. EG. Then is OS. बाकी तो हो गया है और ST बाकी है. OS और ST, हाँ ये दोनों बाकी है, OS एंड ST. ये गलती से मैंने लिख दिया था, ठीक है, OS एंड ST. Clear? Now the total number is 14. 14. That much we have got. So 14 will be the answer. Total number of unique character diagrams in the string thoughts of the ghost is 14. So don't count directly. Always list all diagram first. First of all, you have to list all diagrams, then eliminate the duplicates. List them first, list, then eliminate. So you always do one thing. You mark 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and then you just pick up the 1. It can be 3 also sometimes. So you just have to pick up the 1. Okay. So repetition is a trap. Uniqueness is the basically answer. And the concept about is that total bigram is n minus 1. Okay. Unique bigram is always unique bigram always lesser or equal to total bigram, always lesser, has to be na total bigram. Now important is NLP and language modeling, important in, very much important in NLP and language modeling. So bigrams capture local structure of language. Clear? Understood? I guess there is nothing more to explain over here. All the things have been done and solved and you have understood it. And still there is some doubt remain. If there is any doubt in your mind, then please contact us. The number is given in the screen. Now have a lovely day and enjoy your life, but don't forget to study. Take care. Bye bye.